Am I the a-hole for throwing out my husband's dinner after he went to eat at his mom's house? My mother-in-law calls every night to ask about dinner, and then brags about her cooking, often making passive-aggressive comments to make me look bad, especially if we order takeout. I used to care, but I've learned to let it go. My husband, however, asks me to cook, but then eats at her house, using the excuse, "It's my favorite meal." Yesterday, I decided to surprise him by cooking his favorite meal. I took time off work, went grocery shopping, and set the table. His mom called, and I asked him not to answer, but he did anyway. She asked what we were having and acted surprised that I'd made this meal, then told him she cooked his other favorite meal and invited him over. To my shock, he said, "Okay," and started getting ready to leave. I asked, "Seriously?" But he brushed it off, saying her meal was even more of a favorite than mine, grabbed his keys, and left. I felt humiliated. After he left, I threw his plate in the trash and ate my portion alone. Later, he came home looking upset, explaining that his mom had lied about making that meal just to get him to eat with her. He sat down and asked me to reheat the dinner I'd made. I told him there was no dinner left because I threw it out after he abandoned it. He was furious, accusing me of being petty and horrible, saying what I did was 100 times worse than what his mom did. He stormed upstairs, leaving me feeling conflicted. I admit I let my frustration get the better of me, but after living like this for so long, it felt unbearable. Am I the a-hole?